BCG Matrix. BCG Matrix can feel confusing at first, but once you get the logic behind it, it becomes one of the easiest topics to score in strategic management. So, let's break it down step by step in the simplest way possible. What is BCG Matrix? It is a tool companies use to analyze their products or business units. It helps management answer three key questions: where to invest, where to continue, and where to exit. Every company has multiple products. Some products earn a lot of money, some have future potential, and some are no longer useful. The BCG matrix helps classify these products, making it easier for the companies to decide what to do next. The BCG matrix is based on two factors. First, market growth rate. This shows how fast the market is growing. And second, relative market share. This shows how strong the company is compared to its competitors. The BCG matrix divides products into four quadrants. First, stars, high market growth and high market share. These products perform well now and have strong future potential. Second, cash cows, low market growth but high market share. They generate steady cash that supports other products. Third, question mark, high market growth but low market share. These are risky and need careful investment decisions. Fourth, dogs, low market growth and low market share. They are often considered for exit or minimal investment. Think of an FMCG company. An established soap brand usually becomes a cash cow, while a newly launched health drink often starts with question mark. This is how BCG metric works in real life. This avoids repetition, feels smooth, and keeps viewers engaged. In exams, structure your answer properly. Mention the quadrant's name, explain its key characteristics, and clearly state the strategic decision. Well-structured points like this help you score full marks. So remember, BCG matrix isn't about mugging up definition. It's about understanding the logic. And once that logic clicks, writing answers becomes effortless.